My name is Sahash. Today I am doing a science experiment. Let us see what all the items we need. We need salt, 2 lemons and 2 glasses of water. We need to put salt in a glass of water and stir it well. Then here comes the trick. Put 1 lemon in a glass of normal water. It sinks. Put another lemon in a glass of salt water. It floats. This is all because of density. The density of salt water is higher than normal water. That makes the lemon float.